Aegis, Advanced Ground Information Systems, makers of LifeRing MDDL software. MDDL enables a worldwide, multinational, integrated C5 ISR COP. Our LifeRing system is designed to be the most comprehensive and easy-to-use command and control system in the world, and the most secure. From onboarding users to segmenting those users into groups to encrypting the data and communications between all users, we have addressed security at every level. Users must be approved by their approving authority to have a licensed copy of the software and to register an account on a server. Both the software and the server information needs to be distributed to the user by an administrator or gatekeeper to the system. All accounts can be set as email validation or through manual approval enabling of the account by the administrator or gatekeeper. The first time a user launches LifeRing, they need to register an account. The form will ask you for a profile photo, a valid email, a password, a full name, a display name that will appear on the map to other users, an organization, an ID number and a photo ID, and then an optional position and a phone number. The Latin long will get populated once you connect to the server. Once I press OK, I'll need to validate my email account and then I can log in. From here, I can hook my own user symbol and open up the context menu from below and click the profile button to view or edit the information. You need to log in again to make any changes. I can change anything except the email address. Here I'll correct the typo in my position. Then I just need to hit confirm to confirm the changes. Now any other user that I share a group with can click on my user symbol and see my profile data. If there's any question about my identity, they can ask me to video stream myself, and then they can compare my live person with my photo ID. Once the user is enabled access to the network, they would need to join or create a group to be able to add any data to the map. The system supports up to 30 unique groups on each device, and each group name can be 20 characters long. Any group can also require a password, which is established when the group is created. Passwords can be up to 50 characters long. No other user can join a group unless they know the group name and the password. If you don't know the name of a group, you don't even know of its existence. Only when users are in the same group or groups do they exchange data and their location with each other. Groups can be based on echelon, command structure, mission, security level, or location. Groups can be set at the user level or at the command level, which would then distribute the group and password information down the chain of command, with new additional groups set up at each level to insulate the upper levels. Within each group, the user can select what data they want to receive. There's also a stealth option. When checked, your location is hidden on the map in that group. You will still see map data added by other users and receive messages, chats, and PTT comms, but will not transmit that same data while you're in stealth mode. Once you take yourself out of stealth mode, all data will be transmitted to all users in that group. In the event of a user being compromised, or if the device is lost or stolen, the suspected device can be removed from the LifeRing network in two different ways. At the server level, a user can be temporarily blocked from the network, forcing them to log in again. A user can also be permanently blocked from the network. This action disables the user's account from being able to log in. The account can only be re-enabled at the server level. All data that is transmitted is first protected using Aegis's proprietary message exchange formats that are known only to Aegis and one U.S. entity. The data is then encrypted prior to transmission using AES 256-bit encryption by the app. When using Harris or other military radios, the data is further encrypted by the radio prior to transmission using US Type 1 encryption. When using Motorola radios, the data is further encrypted using AES 256-bit encryption with a different encryption key. LifeRing has also been integrated with XQ messaging to meet Zero Trust NIST 800.171 advanced encryption, routing, and data management compliance requirements. When LifeRing uses XQ Message's Zero Trust, the data transmitted is encrypted using separate keys for either the second or third time. For more information on our LifeRing products, please visit our website at www.aegisinc.com.